In this video, pag-uusapan natin why I like Maribank and the 11 benefits that you should know. So kung meron ka ng Maribank account, panoorin mo ito, baka sakaling hindi mo pa alam yung benefits ng Maribank. And kung wala ka pang Maribank, maganda rin na panoorin mo ito dahil alam naman natin, tumataas ang presyo ng bilihin, kailangan nating matutong dumiskarte. Alamin muna natin ano ba ito ang Maribank. It is a digital bank and previously known as C-Bank. Ito yung summary ng 11 benefits na dapat mong malaman sa Maribank. Number 1, quick and free sign up using a mobile phone. Number 2, security features. Number 3, deposits are insured by PDIC up to 1 million per depositor. Number 4, earn daily interest credited daily. Number 5, get a 1% cashback reward on your purchases. Number 6, get 5 pesos for every 500 minimum credit card payment. Maximum of 10 payments per month. So, ibig sabihin 50 pesos yon per month. Number 7, fast and free transfers. Maximum of 50 transfers per month. Number 8, no minimum balance. Number 9, get a Maribank debit card and enjoy convenient spending locally and abroad. Number 10, shop overseas, earn cashback rewards. Number 11, get a referral code to earn. So, himay-himayin natin ang bawat benefits ng Maribank para at least malaman mo kung paano mo siya gagamitin at paano ka magbe-benefit dito. Pero disclaimer muna, the footer mind contents are not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. This video is accurate as of the posting date but may not be accurate in the future. Please do your own research as well. So disclaimer din na pwede akong kumita kung gagamitin mo ang referral code ko. Here's my referral code, CF848991. Pero before that, alamin muna natin yung 11 benefits ng Maribank. Of course, kailangan mo munang i-download yung Maribank app using your mobile phone. And then, ang requirement nila based doon sa nakita ko is just one valid ID. So, you prepare the one valid ID and online naman yung submission ng requirements. Okay? Number 2, security features. May two-factor authentication and encryption system. Ano ba yung encryption system? So, ni-research ko sa Google and sabi niya, a security method that scrambles readable data, plain text, into an unreadable format using mathematical algorithms and cryptographic keys. So, hindi ko din alam kung paano yan encryption system. Basta meron silang security feature. So, you might as well research on that para mas maunawaan mo pa siya. Number 3, deposits are insured by PDIC. So, ibig sabihin, pwede ka na palang mag-fund doon ng 1 million per depositor kasi naka-PDIC naman yon. And number 4, earn daily interest. So, percent interest ay depende sa amount ng savings. And percent interest ay credited daily. Okay, so pumapasok yon. Tiningnan ko doon sa kanilang calculator kung paano ba nako-compute yung kanilang percent interest. So, eto yung nakita ko. Kinlik ko lang to. And then, mapupunta ka na sa page na to. So, pwede ka mag-calculate ng earnings. Just follow the instruction para alam mo kung magkano ba yung kikitain ng iyong savings doon. Based dito sa nakita ko, kung 0 to 1 million pesos ay 3.25% per annum. Kung above 1 million ay 3.75% per annum. And I tried to calculate, and eto yung nakita ko lumabas doon sa 100,000. 2,600 pesos yung interest in 1 year, and doon sa 50,000 ay 1,300 pesos yung interest in 1 year. And gaya ng sabi ko, credited daily yung interest. Ibig sabihin, araw-araw pumapasok yung interest mo. So, dito sa screenshot na to, ito yung example na credited daily yung interest talaga kapag sa Maribank. Number 5, get a 1% cashback reward on your purchases. Nakalagay dito, you can earn up to 3,000 pesos cashback per month sa Maribank. Nakagastos ako nung May 23, 2026 ng 248.57 pesos. And then yung cashback ko, na-receive ko kinabukasan. That's 2.49 pesos. Number 6 benefit, get 5 pesos for every 500 minimum credit card payment. So since maximum of 10 payments ito, ibig sabihin per month, 50 pesos yung makukuha mo. So ito yung example na magno-notify sila sa'yo kapag nakuha mo na yung reward mo. Pero agad-agad makukuha mo yung reward mo as in real time right after mabayaran mo yung 500 pesos. So ito yung example ng cashback. Nagbayad ng 500 at na-receive din agad ang 5 pesos cashback. Number 7, fast and free transfers. So ibig sabihin, walang transfer fee kung mag-transfer ka to other digital banks and dito sa bangko natin sa Pilipinas na kilalang mga kumpanya. Okay, like BDO, BPI, and other banks. Including GCash kapag nag-transfer ka free din, walang bayad. Basta pasok ka doon sa 50 free transfers per month. So, makakasave ka at least 10 pesos or 15 pesos per transfer. Malaking bagay yun. So, kung madalas ka mag-transfer, makakatipid ka ng malaking amount. Makikita mo sa app mo kung magkano na yung na-save mong free transfers nakalagay doon. Gaya dito sa pinapakita ko sa screen. So, i-click mo yung transfer and then lalabas yung amount kung magkano na yung na-save mo. Number 8, no minimum balance. So, ayan, nakalagay less than 2 pesos yung balance sa digital bank, pero okay pa naman yung account, existing pa rin yung Maribank account. Number 9, get a Maribank debit card and enjoy convenient spending locally and abroad. So, ito yung mga benefits na makukuha mo. Nakalagay dyan, get a 1% monthly cashback, free ATM overseas, transact anywhere, shop like a local overseas, keep track of your spending, keep your account safe. Number 10, shop overseas and earn cashback rewards. So, yung debit card mo, pwede mong gamitin sa ibang bansa and yun nga, you can earn cashback. So, a total of 3,000 per month. Number 11, get a referral code to earn. So, kagaya ng sabi ko dun sa simula ng video na pwede akong kumita if gagamitin mo yung referral code ko na CF848991. Ang offer nila ngayon ay pag ginamit mo yung referral code ko, pwede kang magkaroon ng 150 pesos, ako naman 100 pesos. And may offer sila ngayon na pwede kang manalo ng 500 pesos extra pa doon sa 150 pesos referral code. So, paano mangyayari na yan na magkakaroon ka ng 150 pesos, ako naman ay 100 pag ginamit mo yung referral code. So, eto yung kanilang instruction. Kailangan mag-open ka ng Maribank. Number 1, kailangan mo i-download yung Maribank app using your mobile phone. Kailangan mo i-download yung Maribank app using my referral code. CF848991. Number 2, kailangan mong mag-fund ng 1,000 pesos. Initial deposit. So, yung 1,000 pesos minimum na yon, iwan mo lang siya doon sa Maribank account mo for 3 days. Huwag mong gagalawin. And you can get 150 pesos. Ako naman, 100 pesos. And then may extra instruction pa sila kung gusto mong manalo ng extra 500 pesos. So you just follow the instruction once makapag-open ka ng Maribank app. But the offer na 500 pesos is I think hanggang July 31, 2026 lang. So ibig sabihin, kung late mo mapapanood yung video na to, baka iba na yung offer nila. So, mas maganda from time to time, tingnan mo na lang yung Maribank app kasi lagi namang may offers doon, may notification palagi doon. So, para at least updated ka kung ano man yung offer nila during the time na bubuksan mo yung app mo. Number 12, get a chance to win. So, isa ako sa nanalo ng 500 pesos noong June 19, 2026. Na-credit din siya sa account ko noong June 19, 2026. But then again, this offer is I think hanggang July 31, 2026 lang. You can verify it once magkaroon ka ng Maribank account. And of course, baka magbago yung offer nila from time to time. Always visit your Maribank account and check the offers kasi sayang yung matitipid mo. Yung maliliit na halaga na yan, pag pinagsama-sama natin yan, malaki na yan. Okay? Mag-comment ka lang kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito or any suggestions na gusto mo i-content ko para alam ko kung ano yung susunod na content ng aking video. Okay? Salamat in advance kung sakaling gusto mong gamitin yung referral code ko sa Maribank na CF848991. Salamat! This is Cynthia Fuller.